So our goal here today is to make a fast, loud, obnoxious car faster, louder, and obnoxiouser. And we're going to do that with a Borla Atak catback exhaust. So we'll play it before, we'll show you the gear, we'll play you an after, and then if you're in the market for one, hopefully our video will help you better than some of the other weird videos I've seen on YouTube. Because it's a lot of money, and it's kind of nice to get a variety of videos to see what piques your interest and gets you to actually commit. So, wish us luck. Alright, so the job is effectively complete, although as you will see here there are a few extra pieces that have not yet made it on the Mustang. Fortunately, Ford decided that these pieces required about 500 to 300 feet of space below the car in order to tip them down and get them out of the way, and not having a lift, well, that left us screwed. So we installed the X-pipe, we installed the mufflers, and we are about to see the fruits of our labor, which took us 6 hours to do. Love you, Mike. Let's find out. Alright, go. You ready? Oh, that sounds good.